Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ismail Shinwari. I am from Afghanistan and I am the student of UTM International University. My major is Educational Management and Administration and I am the student of the Master Degree Program at UTM. Today I want to discuss about the contingency leadership theory can be applied among 21st century leaders. The contingency theory of management is one of the most important topic that you will study in management degree. Many times students are given assignment, research paper and project related to contingency approach to management. This short talk will briefly answer your question, which is common question related to contingency theory. Contingency approach to leadership. The term leader is not unknown to us. In layman terms, a leader is a person who control others. In terms of management, it is not that simple. It is integral as well as an important part of management. In management term, a leader is a person who has the potential to guide and influence the group of people towards a particular direction or objective. Leadership is a process leading a group of people and an organization in a particular direction. There are various guiding forces in the term of various leadership model and theories. One of these is contingency leadership theory. And in this short talk, you can look and you can listen approaches and find out various aspects. Contingency theory leadership is a very special kind of approach which states that success of a leader doesn't only depend on his or her ability. There are many other factors relating to the work environment, company culture, and employees which impact a manager's successes in the process of leadership. Hence, his successes is contingent on his role. This model given by Pedler, that is why many times it is called Pedler contingency theory. The history of contingency theory is the Pedler gave the contingency approach of leadership is 1958 during his research of leadership effectiveness on the group situation. He believed that the ability and the skill of managers remain fixed whereas the situation keep on changing. So, a leader effectiveness is contingent on the leader's style matching the situation, not adapting to it. A leader will be most effective when his features and style of leadership will match with the situation and the environment around to him. Pedler contingency model is leadership style, situational variables, and relationship between style and situation. After that, there are four contingency theory of leadership. The one which I already discussed. The second is path goal theory. As the same suggests, this theory relates how leaders can help their subordinates to achieve their goals. This theory explains the kinds of leadership in which the leader clear out the obstacles being faced by the subordinates who are willing to achieve their goals. Number third is situational leadership theory. As per this theory, leaders have four behavior: delegating, selling, telling, and participating. And the last one is decision making theory. The contingency thinking on this theory suggests that the right decision making is depend upon how a leader emerges and progresses. Three parameters shape a decision, namely the leadership based on situation, namely autocratic, democratic, consultative, and collaborative. There are three situational components defined. Number one is leader-member relationship. Number second is task structure. Number third is leader position power. This theory we can apply it among 21st century. I personally can apply it as a leader because the basis of the contingency theory, the basis of this approach is quite simple. It states that people with different ability can perform better in their respective field. For example, a person with all relevant skills, education, trainings in the selling of a book, or if we look our department, the head of the department, the dean of the faculty, the chancellor of the university, prove to be more successful in the field of their department, their faculty. And I gave the first example of selling a book in the market rather than the other products of the market. Similarly, a manager has their own set of skills, abilities, ways, experiences, and preparedness, which may not be successful universally in all leadership roles. The main variable of the leadership is leader, followers, organization, and environment. In 21st century, leader can apply this theory to analyze their position, identify the source of any problems that face, and it is the stop or the nature of the work. Your lack of power are a combination of all three that the problem. Once you have identified the problem, devise a course of action to resolve the issue. Often it is just one person that in the problem, or usually they see themselves as an unofficial leader of the team, or afraid always lose their power, either win them over, or if that fails, use all power to bring them into the line. But once you start such a struggle, you have to win. Lose and you are finished. If it is the nature of the work that makes difficult to control the action of the staff, establish procedure that require them to report to you regularly on their progress, their performance, and also set a clear limit to declaration and to the declaration of they can exercise. Power is seldom given to you, and you have to take it. And so use the power, your authority that comes to your position to sort your problem out. Few will dispute your right to use it. Contingency theory suggests to the 21st century leaders that you find yourself unfavorable situation, you should change the situation, not the leadership approach. You may decide that in many situations is quicker and easier to change your leadership approach. Thank you to listening me, and I would like to thank one of my greatest and the best professor, Dr. Jamila, that she gave me an opportunity to record myself and share with the YouTube. So thank you once again, Dr. Jamila, and all of the staff of the UTM. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Stay home and stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.